Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have my shipment from Erin Condren, and I want to share it with you because I got a couple of goodies, and also this is good timing because right now Erin Condren has a 30% off everything her site, and this is the best time to get something from her because she never has 30% off, and you could get a lot of personalized stuff. But if you're interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, here we are. It's Thursday. We're one day closer to Friday. It's Baby Friday today. Anyway, I was going to do a couple of things and share a couple of things with you. And I actually did record my lunch from today, but I'll do that as a short sometime this weekend or maybe tomorrow or something, just to show you what I eat for lunch and what I prepared. And it is Japanese food, in case you're curious, right? And so I'll share that with you as well. And so I do have my Erin Condren shipment, and I think they put my surprise box in here all together. Usually they don't come in separate boxes, and they're not a box within a box because they like to, save the earth and, be environmentally friendly. So they usually stick it all in here, but I'll go ahead and share this with you. But before I do that, let's just go ahead and go with the affirmation for the day. And I'm going to use my Motivations app. And here we go. And oh, it's got little flowers because I have the random background. So it's little flowers. I like it. And here it is right there. I should have read it probably before projecting it. But it says, I am grateful for my healthy routines. I am grateful for my healthy routines, and I am really grateful. One time I really struggled with my weight. Well, my whole life I struggled with my weight. Because when I was younger, I was really athletic. I did a lot of athletic things. I was always in a move, didn't have time to eat. I'm always, climbing a rock wall or jumping out of airplanes or scuba diving or doing something, right? But when you get older and you have to really calm down and do normal people job, my routine really slowed down a lot. And then when I ran a marathon back in 2005, I blew my knees out actually in Arizona, and I think I told you guys that story before, and after that I could not run anymore, and so I was still eating like I was running, and so I gained a lot of weight. And so I had to come out with a new routine, and the keto diet actually works, but that's something that I don't want to keep going for the rest of my life, and I hop back on it when I need it, but I try to actually eat good and as best as I can, and so that way I don't have to go on these diets. But sometimes it's really hard, especially when I have a husband who can bake so well, right? And gosh, yeah. And here we are in that season where he's gonna spend all day in the kitchen baking. So yeah, I gotta lose weight really quick. But as far as my weight issues, I really haven't had weight issues, in the late. And I do have a healthy routine, and I have a very busy life, as all of you do. And so it's really hard to cram all of the things that we have to do and then try to squeeze in 30 minutes for exercise. Who's got 30 minutes for exercise, right? But you really have to try to do that. And I don't do any vigorous exercises because my knees and everything else, and I just not into vigorous exercises nowadays. I have to have a purpose now. I mean, if play a game or something like that, that's different, right? Soccer or whatever, I shouldn't be doing that either. But I do something that's easier for my body just to keep active, and more than that, something that really not only works from the from the outside but also inside. And so I like to really practice yoga, and you can do that between 15 minutes to an hour, or 2 hours if you want. It's up to you, and you develop your own routine. That's a really important part, that you develop a healthy routine to do these things, even if it means getting up a little bit earlier to do the things you want to, but try to go to bed early, right? And I know, watching YouTube videos until 2 a.m., 3 a.m., or even downloading videos at midnight because your internet is so slow. I mean, it really, it puts havoc to your body, so, and your mind also. So be really careful and be healthy. And I am grateful for my healthy routines. And like I said, I try to eat well. I try to get in a little yoga, and I do a lot of reading. So, you know, I mean, healthy routines and not having your face stuck in a TV 24/7, and just try to do at least a little at a time, okay? And so that way you can have a healthy life and a long life and an enjoyable life. Alrighty, so that's that. And let's see. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I got a frog in my throat. Anyway, before I open my box, I just want to show you something. Here I go. I'm digressing, sorry. But I don't know if you remember, I got this pink bottle as a gift to purchase from Macy's like a while ago. And then what I did recently is I ordered these OT rainbow stickers from Amazon, and there's like tons of them. I think there's 300 in here. And I didn't realize that these were waterproof and environmentally friendly, and it's well made, and it's meant to be put on like suitcases, water bottles, and things like that. And my intention to getting this is so I can put some in friend mail. Okay, and then I got this and I'm like, oh, okay, but I think my friends would still enjoy it. But the other day I was sitting down and I was looking through the stickers and thinking, well, oh, it's pretty cool. So I started sticking them on here. And so I got this thing. This is a little joke, okay, because I really don't need this. But I told my husband, if my bottle is like this and looking at you like that, look what it says. I need space. And what does this say here? Mental health matters. So it means I'm not in a good mood today, okay? But if I'm like this, life is good, okay? And thanks, then, you know, I'm in a good mood. But that's a joke because I don't need to do that with my husband. He's a love. And so, yeah, but I thought it was kind of cool. And I like this one here. Home is where the Wi-Fi connects automatically. I like that one, right? You know, where the, what do they say? Home is where the heart is. Well, my home is where the Wi-Fi connects automatically. Go figure. And of course I have to do my coffee, you know, the caffeine, the chemical compound of caffeine. And you know, this one here. And in Hawaii, they say shucka bruh. And so this is this is one of my husband's favorite sayings after coming back from Hawaii. And you notice the beautiful wildflowers here, wildflowers there, and also Master of Chill. Look at that, so cute, right? And of course books, because I love books. It's me, okay? So anyway, sorry about that. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I was so excited, and it took me a while to do because it was really hard to peel off the back, but yeah, I got it though. So again, let's go ahead and now open up this box. And I don't know if you noticed, so it's probably hard to tell, is that I kind of rearranged my room a little bit in the way that this desk that I'm sitting on used to go right against the window. But I actually moved it to the middle of the room, and you probably don't notice that. And that is in preparation for, guess what? I bought myself a big shelf, but it is a plant holding shelf. It's like a cabinet, and I'll show it to you once I get it, because I'm running out of room because all of these plants, I've become plant addicted, you know. And so they're all over the place. I'm like, I gotta find a place for them. I said, you know what? That's a beautiful thing. I saw it on one of my groups. And so I decided, yeah, okay, I'm gonna get that too. And the girl was nice enough to post the where she got it from. So yeah, again, I digress. So here it is, Erin Condren. As you guys know, I love Erin Condren and all of the things that come with it. And they personalize things, or you can get them just stock. And right now, as I said, there is a 30% off sale, and that's huge for Erin Condren. And so you should take advantage of that. And with this, I gotten a discount from my previous purchases, and I think I got 20% on this one because she always sends you a coupon too. And so yeah, I'm gonna put the link below, okay? The link will be below, and so that way you can go directly to Erin Condren and get whatever you want. So first thing I actually got was this here. And the reason why I bought this, I think I showed you this before, and this is called, let's see if I can slide this out. Yeah, Be Kind, Be Nice, and Repeat. And what it is it's a daily kindness and joy journal. And so they have different parts of it. Kindness starts here, and let me show you kind of sort of like it says, defining daily kindness, and then it defines it for you. It says small kindness, medium kindness, and big kindness, and things that you should, that you could do. And it is very nice. Let me see if I can bring it in a little bit. And so there it is. And then the next one is small joy, medium joy, and big joy. And it tells you what those things are to be looking for it. Let's see. Can't see, okay? like this. And then like the next pages, and you have different things here. Favorite, joyful, or kind moment from last week. It just has different things. It's a prompt journal with so many different questions and nice things. And this is, I think, about 6 months worth, right? You could write it if you wrote every day in here. I think you got about 6 months worth, and these aren't that bad. And actually, the reason why I ordered it again is because I did actually give it to a friend, and I just thought she would like it, and so I sent it to her, and she loved it, so I'm glad about that. But I wanted it too, so I had to order another one, and so that's one. And then yeah, it looks like they did put it all in one container. So as you notice here, she always sends a coupon. Again, there's a 20%, and this is good until February of 2022. And so, but right now there's 30%, guys, again, okay? Link below. And anyway, I don't get any money or anything. I'm not sponsored by her or anything like that, but it'll get you a discount. It's just one of the rare people that allows like more than one discount. Whoops. That allows more than one discount. So if you have more than one discount, you could really, apply them both, which I love. Okay, this is a refill actually, and I'm gonna show you what it's a refill for. And it is a bow, it's a book, okay? And then on both sides, you have a notepad, and you have a, let's see, I can open it for you, I guess, because I'm gonna use this. You have notepads on the sides, and you have like a to-do calendar in the center. Kind of sort of what I use here, but it's with the bow, and it doesn't stand up. This one stands up on my desk, you see? I have my weekly, I actually do this weekly, and so that way it keeps me on track of what I should be doing in life. And so I go week by week, and I keep this, like I said, it stands up. And it tells me that, okay, I gotta post to Facebook, I gotta post to YouTube, oh, I have my Japanese lesson for the day, I have another meetup, and all of these things, I don't miss anything. And also draw for the giveaway, all that stuff. Keep me on track. I love it. So this is about the same thing, but it's just in a motif of Hello Kitty, and that's about it. So yeah, that's that, and I also got a refill for it. 20% off. I was like going crazy, but I should have waited. It's 30% now. And I think, is that all I bought? No. And then I think that's all I did buy. Oh, and then because I ordered that, this is a Hello Kitty. It's brass, and it's a page, what do you call that? Bookmark. It's a bookmark. I have these. I bought them before, but she gave this to me for free. And then I actually bought 2 of these. And these are like really nice velvet pencil holders. Let me see. I have one on my planner, my current planner. Here it is. And then you kind of like, it straps into your planner, and then you put your pencil in here and your pens, you see. And so I love this because it's velvet. It's got Hello Kitty little tabby on it. See? Hello Kitty little tabby. Yeah. And so this is my current planner. I only have another month to go, and then I'm into 2022. Yay. So I bought a couple of these, okay? 2 of these. And then the rest was a surprise box. And this is what was in my surprise box. And it's a surprise box, but she's very, it was only $20 for like $75 or $80 worth of stuff. And she specifies this is accessories. This is Hello Kitty accessories. So whatever is in here, I knew it was, I wasn't gonna get a journal or anything because I get all that from my seasonal surprise. So I didn't know it would be in there, so I got another one of these. And so these are gonna go into the giveaways actually. This is the reason why I ordered so many of them. And these are so nice. Like I said, it's got the little strap to keep it in place. And then another thing that I got is this note cube, which I love. And it's one that sits on your desk. It's got Hello Kitty, you see? And I write a lot of notes, and I have a lot of stickies all over. Yeah, you can't imagine. It's all over the place. And that's how I keep notes too. And then the other one is this here. And I think I have one of these, and I do. And I don't want to open it because I could give it away. And what it is it's a, it has little sticky notes in it. Hold on one second to see if I can find one. Okay guys, I knew I had one because I don't want to open this one, but I have this one. It's the same thing. And what it is it has these, whoops, it has these little post-it notes, and 3 of them are Hello Kitty. They're nice post-it notes. And then you have the smaller ones here, the flags, okay? And yeah, and it's pretty good. And I'm gonna probably put this in an upcoming giveaway sometime. yeah, but since I have one already, no need to keep two. And so that's that. And then the other one I really like is this enjoy the little things, and this is for wet markers, and you can write on the inside of all of her journals that are like plastic like this with a dry wet marker, yeah. Wet erase marker, that's it. And this one has just, and it just kind of, it goes into the binders, the folders. It's got a little thing that you connect it to. And then you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all those little plans. So this will come in handy. And then the other thing, I know you've seen this. This is a sticker pack. I've showed it to you before. And it comes 3 sheets. And this was the accessories. And then the last thing is, I really like this. It's like the same thing. It's a bookmarker by snaps in, like the other thing, that's the word, snaps in. It's got the little thing here, it snaps right into it, and it goes onto these little coils, you see. And this is great because it doesn't fall out and everything else. So yeah, that's it. That's my box, guys. So yeah, I'm all excited because it's almost the weekend, and plus I love Erin Condren, you know me. And so yeah, what did you think? Do you like Erin Condren? I love Erin Condren. And I keep, you know, you would think that I have so much. I have like those special boxes full of journals and stuff. And I still have like 2 more orders coming from Erin Condren. When she puts things on sale at 30%, I'm gonna stock up because I will use these things. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. And yeah, and let me know if you enjoy this stuff and what you think about it. And the great thing about it is all this is made in the USA, and I like to support local economy. So let me know below what you think. And do you use, like some people use, I think, Happy Journal or Happy Planner, yeah, and stuff like that. So yeah, do let me know. Okay, I know I'm forgetting something. I said I'm not gonna forget, and I think I forgot. But you guys do know I hit 850. I'm actually almost at 860, and so I'm gonna go ahead and draw for that either tonight after recording this or tomorrow. But I will put it on the video on no later than Monday, Mass Monday, ladies. But like I said, it may be earlier than that, okay? Depending on how I can schedule these things. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Oh, I know what it was I was gonna tell you. I have my snack crate that came in, and I have to get my little helper with the hands and to help me, so he can't do that till the weekend, so I'll probably record that and you'll probably see that on Sunday. Alrighty? Okay, if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. It doesn't matter when you're watching this. But what does matter, though, is that in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. These alarms at work. I have a mess.